Introduction to Authorize Net Webhooks. Authorize Net Webhooks enable you to receive real-time notifications about events related to your account, such as transactions and customer profiles. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up and using Authorize Net Webhooks. Step 1. Setting up webhooks. To set up webhooks, you need to log in to your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Webhooks section. Here you can add a new webhook by providing a name and a URL where the notifications will be sent. You can choose the types of events you want to receive notifications for, such as payment, transactions, and customer information. Step 2. Choosing event types. Authorize Net provides a range of event types that you can choose from, including payment, transactions, customer information, and subscription events. You can select the events that are relevant to your business and receive notifications when these events occur. Step 3. Handling webhook notifications. When an event occurs, Authorize Net will send a notification to the URL you provided. Your server will then need to handle this notification by processing the event data and taking any necessary actions. This may include updating your database or sending a confirmation email to your customer. Step 4. Verifying webhook signatures. To ensure the security and authenticity of webhook notifications, Authorize Net provides a signature. With each notification, you should verify this signature to ensure that the notification came from Authorize Net and not from someone else. Step 5. Best practices. When using Authorize Net webhooks, it is essential to follow best practices such as verifying the signature of each notification and handling errors and exceptions properly. You should also ensure that your server can handle the volume of notifications you expect to receive. Conclusion. In conclusion, setting up and using Authorize Net webhooks is a straightforward process that can provide your business with real-time notifications about important events. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using best practices, you can ensure that you are getting the most out of Authorize Net webhooks and providing a better experience for your customers.